Welcome back. Today, we're diving into May container gardening colors, herbs, and creative ideas to make your space pop. May is spring's rockstar blooming flowers, perfect weather, and prime planting time. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is for you. We've got easy and exciting container gardening ideas lined up. But first, let's talk key ingredients for success. 1. Colorful cascading beauty. A beautiful cascade of colorful blooms spilling out of your containers. For a striking display, consider using trailing plants like petunias, ivy, or bacopa. Mix these with vibrant geraniums or begonias for a pop of color. The key is to choose a variety of plants that complement each other and have similar sun and water needs. I love using hanging baskets for this. They're perfect for creating that stunning cascading effect. Hang them near your porch or along a garden fence for a dramatic visual impact. Just imagine how these colorful blooms will brighten up your space. 2. Herb garden delight. Now let's talk about a practical yet beautiful idea: an herb garden in containers. May is the ideal time to start growing herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro. These not only add freshness to your meals, but also look fantastic in a well-designed container. You can get really creative with herb containers. Try using vintage crates, colorful pots, or even repurposed tin cans. Place them on your kitchen windowsill or near your outdoor dining area for easy access. Trust me, there's nothing like snipping fresh herbs for your cooking. 3. Bold and bright combinations. Let's turn up the color volume. May is all about bold and bright combinations that scream spring. One of my favorite combos is mixing marigolds with purple fountain grass and zinnias. The contrast of textures and colors is simply stunning. When creating bold combinations, think about using a variety of heights and shapes. You want your container to look like a mini garden masterpiece? Place these containers strategically around your outdoor space for a burst of joy every time you look outside. 4. Vertical garden magic. Short on space? No problem. Vertical gardening is a game changer. In May, consider planting a vertical garden using a trellis or a wall-mounted planter. Climbing plants like morning glories or sweet peas are perfect for this. Not only does a vertical garden save space, but it also adds a unique dimension to your gardening efforts. Imagine a lush green wall dotted with colorful flowers. It's like having a living work of art right at home. 5. Fragrant Oasis. Last but not least, let's talk about creating a fragrant oasis in your containers. May is a great time to plant fragrant flowers and herbs like lavender, jasmine, and rosemary. Place these containers near seating areas or windows where you can enjoy their delightful scents. It's like having your own personal aromatherapy garden. And there you have it, a bouquet of creative container gardening ideas for May. Whether you're looking to add a splash of color, grow your own herbs, or maximize your space with vertical gardening, there's something for everyone to try. Remember, gardening is all about having fun and expressing yourself through nature. I hope you found these ideas inspiring. Don't forget to share your container gardening creations with us. Until next time, happy gardening!